In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact line support. If you're stuck with a login issue, payment error, missing chat history, or anything that just isn't working as expected, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to reach the right help inside the Line app. First, open your Line app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so pages load properly. If the app asks you to log in, go ahead and sign in with your Line account before moving on. Being logged in helps support identify your account and provide more accurate fixes. Once you're on the Home tab, look to the top right corner for the settings icon, the small gear symbol. Tap that. This is where Line keeps all your account controls and tools, including the support options we need. Inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. You'll find the Help Center. Tap Help Center to open Line's official knowledge base. This is the hub for troubleshooting guides, account explanations, and known issue updates. From here, you have two ways to zero in on answers. You can browse by category if you want to explore common topics such as account access, calls, messages, or purchases. Or, if you already know what you're looking for, type a clear keyword into the search bar. Short, specific terms work best. Think can't log in, verification code, or payment declined. Open the article that matches your problem and follow the steps carefully. Many articles include automated checklists or links that walk you through fixes right inside the app. If those automated steps don't resolve your issue, don't worry. Scroll to the bottom of any help article and look for the inquiry form link. Tap that to file a direct support ticket with Line support. This form is the fastest way to get a human review when self-service options fall short. When you fill out the inquiry form, be as clear and specific as possible. Briefly describe what happened, when it started, and what you've already tried. Include useful details like your device model, operating system version, your Line app version, and any exact error messages you've seen. Screenshots can help support see the problem at a glance. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or full payment details. Support will never need those to investigate. After you submit, you should receive a confirmation and, depending on your region and issue type, a follow-up via in-app messages or email. Keep an eye on your notifications so you don't miss their reply. And that's it. Launch Line, log in if needed, go to Settings, open the Help Center, search for your issue, and if necessary, use the inquiry form to contact Line support directly.